Let's start with a simple setup, a sine oscillator, amp envelope, and volume control, with Logic Pro playing a bassline. First, let's make some observations about DC offset. The rectifier module lets us introduce it easily. Notice the sound remains unchanged as DC offset is inaudible. Now let's set the oscillator's ring parameter to 100%. Still, no audible difference. This is because the constant DC value of 1 is being multiplied by a sine. If I bypass a rectifier, we get silence. This shows that we can move the oscillator after the amp envelope without changing the sound, as the envelope continues to control the DC offset level. We can swap out the VA oscillator for ring mode. Since the ring mode goes on the audio lane, we'll place it on the last lane. What we hear now is a 131 Hz tone with added harmonics. Here is why. DC offset generates a constant value of 1, which acts as our carrier. When ring modulated, we hear the modulator's frequency along with some harmonics. We've effectively turned ring mode into an oscillator. The character parameter now acts like a low-pass filter cutoff. To make its frequency follow MIDI notes, we'll add pitch follower and use it to modulate ring mode's frequency parameter. For more dynamic harmonics, let's use an amp envelope to modulate the character parameter. The harmonics are still a bit soft. Adding a high shelf filter will boost them. And we can make its cutoff parameter follow MIDI notes. Let's also make this harmonic boost velocity sensitive with MIDI source module set to velocity. For more dynamics, we'll also make note velocities adjust the output gain.